Hello guys and welcome back. In a previous video I reviewed my brand new daily electric shaver which had a square head on it, and in that video I mentioned that the rotary head shavers didn't seem to agree with my skin type very much. They pulled quite a lot on the hairs and left me with lumps and, you know, a few scrapes every now and again, hence the reason why I bought a brand new shaver. Following on from that video, I was asked if I'd ever tried a Phisco shaver, which is a rotary shaver, and I never have. So I thought, why don't I get hold of one and see what all the fuss is about. Now, I'm not sure where Phisco are based, but these shavers are fulfilled by Amazon over here in the UK, and this one came in just a few days. So in this plastic wrapped neat little box we have a Phisco Intelligent Shaver, and the model number is RMS8112. Now oddly, when I open the box, the first thing I see is a Phisco user notice, and being the marketing genius that I am, I think I would have possibly put the user manual first in the box to showcase the product. So when you open the box, the first thing you see is the product or something good, and maybe not a user notice, but it must be important, so let's give it a read. So the user notice talks about battery lasting time, the digital indicator on the product, and it talks a little bit about skin irritation as well, which is all good. One thing that I have noticed is that there's quite a lot on here about the charging. This comes with a micro USB charger, but doesn't come with the plug. So presumably you can plug this into a laptop, but also into into the wall, into a phone charger. But it does mention here about the adapter voltage output cannot exceed the input voltage that is indicated in the product user manual. So because you don't get the plug with this product, I've now got to go and check my wall plugs, the ones that I get in my phones, to make sure that they don't exceed the input voltage that's indicated on the product. Okay. So to sum up what you get in the box then, you get the user notice, you get the shaver itself, you get an instruction booklet, and all the documentation is in multiple languages here, which is great. You get a warranty card. You also get the little brush that cleans the unit. You get the micro USB charger, and you get a nice little branded bag to put the shaver into when you finish with it. Also the shaver's got a nice plastic cover on the top to protect the blades. So for my first impressions then, the delivery was quite fast. The product came well packaged in a nice little box. It has some good accessories in the box, and picking the shaver up, it feels nice and light and ergonomic to hold. And it also comes with 100% charge, which is great. I can use it straight away. So let's give it a whirl. Whirl, get it? A whirl, rotary, whirl. Oh, doesn't matter. So there you go, guys. That's the Phisco Intelligent Shaver, and I can tell you that it has given me a really close shave. Wickedly close. That's not bad at all. It's really hard doing these tests down here in the studio. You know, it's bad lighting and I've only got a tiny mirror, so I did go upstairs and, you know, in the bathroom and did it properly. So, you know, got all the bits I missed. I also trimmed my little goatee because I was starting to look a bit like a Yeti. So all in all, to give you a summary, I think this is a pretty good shaver for the, you know, at the price point it's at. It's not bad at all. Selling points of it, it's got obviously the trimmer on there, which worked quite well. The heads, they bounce around and move and sort of move with the contours of your face. They boast a fast motor in it. I don't know whether it's fast or not, but this is the sound of the shaver when you turn it on, which might give you some indication. It's also got dual cutters, so in each head there's sort of an inner ring and an outer ring, and there's dual cutting blades that go around both of them, so you get, I don't know, 2 forward, you get 6 sort of spinny rotating blades there. And I can tell you that it didn't pull one hair on my face, so I didn't get any pulls from it at all. It's probably because the blades are brand new, and only time will tell on that one. You can get spare heads for this, so if the heads do go dull, you can buy those also. It's quite grippy, even though there's no rubber on there. The plastic is quite grippy, it doesn't sort of slip out your hand, and you can use it wet and dry as well. And obviously it's got the phone charger in the bottom, so if you're traveling you can plug it into a laptop or straight into the wall. Okay, for the longevity of it, who knows. What I'll do is I'll try it out. I'll keep using it every day, and I'll post some comments in the comments section below if I have any updates for you. But all in all, I think that's a pretty good shaver. That's not bad at all. Okay, so if you like this video, and have a look at my other videos if you're about. I've got some other project reviews on here. Please subscribe, it does help me out a lot. And that's it really. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.